Hello everybody. If you're rewatching this on YouTube, you're awesome and amazing. I'm gonna wait for some people to join the TikTok live. I'm going to start by standing in front of this white wall. So that way when people join, it's totally like nonchalant and casual. And then I will tell you the big surprise. So let's just wait a second for some people to join. I see there's 4 of you on here. Woo, woo, welcome to the party. If you can see by the title, we have something super exciting. And you guys are the first to hear. I haven't told a single soul except like my mom and obviously like our employees. So welcome to the Austin, Texas, Maddie Green Boutique warehouse. We moved the warehouse completely here and have been keeping it a complete secret. And I want to give you a little empty warehouse tour. So let me flip the camera around. Then I'm going to make the post on Instagram and everything later today. Very exciting though. So I wanted to give you guys a little tour of the new space. I'll start with the office space. Sorry if it's a little, but this is going to be my front little like chill area, I guess. And I'm going to hang my Maddie Green Boutique banner here. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I can't believe I'm finally showing you this. This is my little office space for right now. Can you tell I'm obsessed with pink? And there's a huge restroom in there. And then this is my like junk table right now because I need to organize everything, but I just got Wi-Fi set up. So this is exciting. And the office is so pretty. Like I love this floor and everything. And then this is everything I moved in from the pod today. My muscles are so sore. So it looks really empty right now. And if you're just joining, hello. I don't know if you can see me, but my name's Maddie. I own Maddie Green Boutique, and I just moved my warehouse from Colorado. There's a little utility sink there. I used it to mop today. And then this, I'm gonna put my super cute little mini fridge that's coming next week. I'm gonna put that there. Cleaning supplies. And then up here, I'm gonna make this super cute. I'm probably gonna put like a real plant or a fake plant and hang it from there. So I think that's gonna go there. And then I got sent this free speaker because my Uline order was like over $1,000. So yeah. I see a few questions. And we moved the warehouse completely from Colorado to Austin, Texas now. And this, I just have a little makeshift area because I need to package some orders. So it's super cool. I'm gonna be able to print the labels right here. And then this is just my makeshift table until we can build these super big, cool packaging stations. But they were so heavy. I literally could not lift it up to build it, and I needed tools. But there's a really cool light right here, so I'm going to put the packaging station right here in the middle by the light. And then that way, this will be the angle, like when I'm live, so the packaging station will be here. And then it'll look really pretty, I think. Yes, I totally want to put a little coffee station somewhere here too. And moving along in the tour, I'm going to set up rows and rows of shelves here. I still have like 20 more to unload from the truck. But for right now, I just set up these rows right here. So these are 5 high, and at our old warehouse, we only had them to 4 high because like I'm only 5'5", like it's really hard to reach stuff up on here. But I decided for this warehouse, I'm going to have them 5 high. That way I can put like boxes and extra supplies there and stuff like that. But I just set up, how many do I have? I have a pot of 4, 8, and 12. So I just set up 12 shelves right now. These are super expensive. They're like $120 now. And I'm so grateful that I was able to set all these up. I never guessed this was the surprise. I know, right? This is awesome. But yeah, for the top shelves, I can reach it. Like, here's my hand. Like, it's just not convenient. So for now, this is all the shelves I got set up. I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna take you along this way now. There's another really cool restroom in there. Thrilling, right? And then I have a brand new banner. I can't wait to show you guys. It's huge, and I'm gonna hang it up. Well, I'm gonna hang up a small one here for my lives, and then I'll probably do a TikTok and have you guys vote where I should put the big one because the space is so like tall. So we'll see. And then, like I said, the packaging station is going to be here in the middle. And so this Uline cart, I'm going to keep right here. And then that way I can just roll it out for when like UPS comes and stuff like that. And I'll take you upstairs. There's nothing there yet, but isn't this pretty? It feels like home. It's so cozy. I can't wait to put some plants, and then I'm either painting a mural or putting one of these posters up there. Can't wait to show you the new poster. But I'm gonna take you upstairs now. We thought, see that thing right there? We thought that was a plug. So we were super excited to plug in the lights, but it wasn't. So we plugged it in there. Obviously I'll find a solution, but this is just some storage up here. So it's really cool. I can't wait to be taking videos from up here. And yeah, so this is the storage space. The guy who set up Wi-Fi, I guess, just left that there. That's cool. But yay, Wi-Fi set up. Got my water heater. But can you guys imagine my video contents from up here? Like I could do like a video like this, showing myself like putting packages in there. And then once all the shelves are full, because I'm gonna do, there's sets of 4, I'm gonna do like 4 more for now. Look how cool the content will be. I have you guys on a tripod. So I'm like trying to use it like a vlogger. Can you guys see the whole thing? I don't know, I hope so, but it looks really cool. So yeah, I wanted you guys to have the first exclusive look of the new warehouse. I just posted a TikTok about it. And I'm going to make a post on Instagram. So if you guys can comment like on that TikTok and Instagram post what warehouse content you want to see, or if I kept you surprised, that would be so awesome. Here's a view from this way. My dad says that's going to be my stair stepper. I know, right? This place is huge. I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to decorate it. I have been vlogging the whole entire time, so let me know if you guys want me to post my YouTube vlog. I need to edit it some more. I'll probably do that from bed, but I'll be posting that ASAP. If you guys missed it, I'll show the office space one more time. So you walk in and there's this cute little area. I'm gonna decorate it with like lights and a plant or something. This is so funny. You like see all my handprints. And big enough space to have a Taylor Harry dance party. You're right, Tina. Lots of MGTV after hours. And then put my office space right here. I'm still decorating it and doing stuff. Got my trusty daily planner. Pink, pink, pink. Isn't that cute? Shout out to my mom for the lime green purse. I'm obsessed. And then I'm gonna put this calendar right here. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with this space, but it's extra space. And I'm super excited about this restroom. I'll show you. It has a mirror. So get ready for all the content. Also, shout out to my mom. She reminded me to bring hand soap today. So very excited about that. We forgot scissors. So I was having to use like my nails to open things. Like this whole palette came today and I didn't have scissors. So thought I would share. This is pretty funny. Anywhoosies, I hope you love the new warehouse. I'm gonna do a silent walk around just one more time to show you. And then if you have some time, please go like, comment, share my TikTok and Instagram post. Mean the world to me. I think this is still my favorite part. I'm just gonna show you guys one more time in case you missed it earlier. But yeah, this place is like double the size of our first place. It's so cool. We moved the entire warehouse here and I think we did a pretty good job keeping it a secret. Like, you guys should comment. Did you know, or did you have a feeling, or was it pretty secret? Hey, new order. I think I did a good job at keeping it a secret. My mom says, we did good. Jenny had a feeling but didn't know. I love it. Alana said, I had no idea this was happening. Jody had no idea. Oh my gosh, Jody. When you ordered from me, I was so nervous because I didn't want the secret to get out, but we fulfilled your order and I told everybody we're not fulfilling orders, but we happened to like not have your item boxed up or something. So yeah, no idea. Awesome. Okay. Well, I love you guys. If you have time, go comment on my TikTok and Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. This is so much fun. Can't wait to put up the banner. I've been filming so much content. Bye.